Hello children, welcome back to the science class. We have completed 5 units. In this session, we are going to see about Unit 6 Health and Hygiene lesson. Health and Hygiene. This is Health and Hygiene tree. Health means sleep, diet, health, exercise and stress. These are included in health. 30%, 33% of our life, sleep is important and we should help others and we have follow good diet and also exercise. These are important to our health. So let's move on to the lesson. First we will see health. Health. Health is Good health is the key to happiness. Yes, we should always happy. We can healthy. So definition of health. Health is the state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely an absence of diseases or infirmity. WHO, World Health Organization, gives this definition about health, 1948. And operational definition of health is, health can be seen as a condition or quality of human organism expressing the adequate functioning of the organism in given conditions, genetic or environmental. So, good health is the key to happiness. So, always be happy. Hygiene. Hygiene is the foundation of healthy living. So, the definition of hygiene is healthy habits that include bathing, keeping the mouth clean, keeping the skin protected from the sun and washing hands frequently before handling edibles to ensure the safe delivery of food. So hygiene is a science of the establishment and maintenance of health conditions or practices. Brushing your teeth regularly is an important part of good oral hygiene. And hygiene is the practice of keeping yourself and your surroundings clean, especially in order to prevent illness or the spread of diseases. So, hygiene is the foundation of healthy living. Components of food. The chemical constitution of food which give us energy help to build our body and protect us from diseases are called nutrients. There are 6 fundamental components of food are given here. They are carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, mineral and water. Now we will see one by one in this class. First we will see carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving component of the food. We can obtain carbohydrates in the form of sugar, starch and dietary fibers. There are 3 importance of carbohydrates level. Carbohydrates food. Great carbohydrates, good carbohydrates and bad carbohydrates. First we see great carbohydrates. In this great carbohydrates we can eat any time. So green leaves, spinach, curry leaves and any other leaves and vegetables, cauliflowers, cabbage, etc. These foods, carbohydrate foods, we can eat anytime. These are great carbohydrates, carbs. Next, good carbohydrates. In these foods, we can eat sometimes only. They are sweet potatoes, squash, these vegetables, and sweeter fruits, bananas, pineapple, papaya. These are good carbohydrates. We can eat sometimes only. And bad carbohydrates. In these foods, we eat rarely or never. They are grains, rice, breads, cereals, and sugary drinks, that is soda, juice, sports drinks, and sugary snacks, cookies, candies. These are maximum we can avoid these foods. So great carbos and good carbohydrates we can eat anytime and sometimes, but bad carbohydrates maximum we can avoid it. Next component of food is fats. Fat is also an energy giving food and provides more energy than carbohydrates. Some important sources of fats are butter, ghee, milk, cheese, paneer, nuts, meat, fish, egg, yolk, etc. Apart from giving energy, they insulate our body and protect the cells. So, oils, butter, cream, lard, cream cheese, olives, and examples of these are all examples of foods high in dietary fat. And try to choose healthy fats from plant sources like those shown on the right. So foods high in fat, fatty meats and fish, cheese, butter, avocado, nuts and seeds, chocolates. These are high fatty foods. Protein. Proteins are necessary for our growth and repair as well as for regulating various body functions such as digestion. The sources of proteins are pulses, eggs, fish, milk, chicken, soya bean, nut, grams, etc. Proteins are body building foods. And proteins, these are the complex compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Sources of proteins: whole cereals such as wheat, groundnuts, beans, pulses, fish eggs, meat, milk, cheese, etc. And function of proteins: proteins are needed for the growth and repair our body. They are also called body building food. And food high in proteins are meat and fish, cheese, eggs, beans, bread, nuts and seeds. These are food high in protein. Next components of food: vitamins. Vitamins are required for carrying various biochemical reactions in our body. Fruits, vegetables, grains, meat products are good sources of vitamins. Vitamins are called as productive food. They are major vitamins: A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. Vitamin B and vitamins K water soluble, C are water soluble. Vitamin B and vitamin C are water soluble, and vitamin A, D, E, K are fat soluble. So vitamins, they are a group of organic components essential in small amounts for maintaining normal health and development. And functions of vitamins help in protecting our body against disease. They also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. So vitamins are of different kinds known by different names. Some vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin D and vitamin E and vitamin K are fat soluble, and whereas vitamin B complex and vitamin C are water soluble. See the given picture. These are example of vitamin foods. Minerals. Minerals are required for growth as well as for the regulation of normal body function. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, pulses, eggs, milk, fish and fruits are important sources of minerals in our diet. Minerals are also a productive foods and ignoring chemical elements present throughout the body in varying amounts and act as cofactors of enzymes for metabolism and forms part of the structure of body tissues such as bones, teeth and nails, blood, nerves and muscles, and vital to physical and mental development. They also help protect the body against infection. Meat, fish, milk, cheese, green leafy vegetables and legumes provides most of the minerals needed by the body. So meat, fish, milk, cheese, green leafy vegetables, these are example foods of minerals. The sixth component of food is water. Our body needs an adequate supply of water in order to remain good health. Any human being should take minimum 8 tumblers, that is 2 liters of water every day. So water is very essential component of our body because a major portions of our body is formed of water. It helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It is essential for most of the life process or body functions. It also helps in throwing out some wastage from body as urine and sweat. Sources of water: we drink water directly as well as we receive water from milk, tea, fruits, vegetables, cold drinks, etc. We can eat not only water and water foods we can take. Balanced diet. A diet should be contain adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and activity. Here, this is the healthy food pyramid. Whole grains, barley, whole wheat, quinoa, oats, brown and white rice, products like pasta and bread made from whole grains, etc. Second one, healthy oils. Oils that are rich in polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats like olive, canola, avocado oil, etc. Third, fruits and vegetables. Wide variety of fresh fruits and vegetables with different colors. And fourth one, animal proteins. Seafood, eggs, lean meat like chicken and turkey. And fifth one, plant proteins. Beans, nuts, soya products like tofu. And sixth one in pyramid, low fatty dairy, skim milk, low fat yogurt, cheese, etc. And last one, the peak of the food pyramid is use spraying, fried products, sugary drinks, butter, food products high in saturated fat. So we can take more whole grains, next healthy oils, and third one fruits and vegetables, and animal proteins, plant proteins and low fatty dairy, and last use sparingly. This is take small amount. Malnutrition. Malnutrition occurs when all the nutrients that the body needs are not obtained in the proper proportion from the diet. The word malnutrition refers to the conditions that results when a person does not take a balanced diet. So malnutrition leads to deficiency diseases. So the World Health Organization WHO defines malnutrition as the cellular imbalance between the supply of nutrients and energy and the body's demand to ensure growth, maintenance, and specific functions. So malnutrition, the condition that results when a person does not take a balanced diet. Malnutrition leads to deficiency diseases. The diseases that are caused due to lack of nutrient in the diet are called deficiency diseases. Rest. Rest is must each and every person and human beings. So rest is a condition in which the body is in a decreased state of activity without physical, emotional stress and freedom from anxiety. So sleep is a state of rest accompanied by altered level of consequences and relative inactivity and perception to environment are decreased. So rest is a condition in which the body is in a decreased state of activity without physical, emotional stress and freedom from anxiety. So personal cleanliness. So hygiene practices are: keep your workplace clean, keep your tools, instruments and machines clean, keep your office files clean, never allow dust accumulation, never shy in cleaning your tables by yourself, use toilet in proper way and use more water to avoid smell and stains. Wash your hands and mouth after you use the toilet. Always close the doors of toilets. Open the doors of ventilation. These are the hygiene practices. So we should keep always in your mind. Personal cleanliness is must each and every one. So always be clean. Next, microbes. Microbes in microorganisms. When you negligate personal hygiene, you are increasing the risk of falling sick. So, routes of exposure: injection, inhalation. So, microbes are virus, bacteria, fungi, and protists. We will see in this class about virus and bacteria. Bacteria. Bacteria are very small prokaryotic microorganisms. Bacterial cells do not have nucleus and do not usually have membrane bond. And bacteria can exist either as independent organisms or as parasites. They invade tissues. They produce push or harmful wastage. This is the bacteria structure. Bacteria have nuclear matter, there is no nucleus, and cytoplasm in it, an outer cell, the cell membrane and cell wall, pill, flagellum. Flagellum only can move, and capsule. This is the structure of the bacteria. Next microbes is virus. Virus is an infective agent that typically consists of nucleic acid molecule in a protein coat. It replicates only inside the cells of other living organisms. Virus can infect all types of life forms, plant, animals, and microorganisms. They invade living normal cells and use their cell machinery to multiply. They can kill, damage, or change the cells and make you sick. This is the virus diagram. Envelope protein, outer layer, and envelopes, and viral genome, and nucleocapsid, and viral tegument. Thank you, children. We have completed in this unit health and hygiene. Thank you. We meet the next session.